This dough started soft, messy, and unsure, just like life sometimes. But with patience, heat, and belief, it turns into something worth smiling about. No stress here, just flour, patience, and good vibes. If this bread can rise without shouting, so can your dreams be. Every loaf of bread has a process. You don't skip the wait, you don't skip the work. Stay calm, stay warm, and trust your rise. I didn't rush this dough, and I won't rush my dreams either. If bread can rise calmly and still come out before this bread so rises, same though, new story. Let's make something different. Life doesn't always give you new ingredients. Sometimes it asks you to do more with what is left. When you don't throw things away, you discover new ideas. Creativity starts where leftovers begin. Leftover dough, but not leftover dreams. We have just changed the plan and keep going. This is flour. You're making simple, easy, soft right there. Milk powder. I've already added milk, yeah, so but because I'm showing you, I have to. I'm making very okay. I'm using 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, flour, milk, vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, sugar. Yeah. This is milk and egg. Every good bread starts with simple ingredients and gentle hands. This is where the magic begins. Don't rush the process. Good bread needs patience, and patience always brings soft results. So we are still mixing to get the dough for our bread. But remember, from flour to dough, from dough to bread, great things always start small. So this is my butter. I'm adding butter to knead it. I want the bread to taste more butter. Yeah, so the taste I'm expecting from my bread is butter and milk. Yeah. When you mix slowly, you mix with love, and your bread will feel the care you put into it. This smooth dough is the foundation of soft and fluffy bread. When the base is good, the result will be perfect. Yeah, you can see. Soft hands make soft bread. Simple steps, beautiful results. This dough is already full of promise. Bread making is a therapy for the soul. Yes, you can see. You see how the bread is so soft and relaxed. Where I'm kneading my bread, it's so funny because I'm the one holding the phone videoing myself, so please forgive me. But as I'm kneading this dough, it has become so smoother and softer with every touch. Because good bread needs time, patience, and gentle hands. Soft hands make soft bread. You can see. Before this bread rises, let me remind you, great things takes time. I will let it even though has to rest before it becomes something amazing. So relax, your moment is baking too. Now we let the dough rest and rise. Good things grow quietly without noise. You see, patience is the secret ingredient in every perfect bread. Let the yeast do its beautiful work, and then now we are coming to shape it. So you can see I'm rolling it. Look at the way how smooth and gentle this dough has become. This is the moment where bread begins to take its final form. Simple shaping, beautiful results. This loaf is already full of promise. Yeah. So see, I'm rolling it in my own desirable shape before we can bake it. Yeah. This is where the transformation begins. From soft dough to golden bread, the oven will now do its magic. So we are still on it, shaping it. Now let's stop talking and let the bread do what it does best, rise. It's shaping. The dough is ready, the oven is waiting, and the patient is on duty. Let's bake. If you are still watching, it means you believe in the process. Let's turn this simple ingredient into something special. Quiet hands, warm oven, big results. Let's begin. This is where patience turns into bread. Stay with me, and God bless you for still here watching my doings. God bless you. So let's brush it. What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and grave to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we offer faith. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? After rising, the dough is light, fluffy, and ready for the oven. You can see. This is the where transformation begins. From soft dough to golden bread, the oven will now do its magic. The bread. Wow. So now look at the golden color, perfect baked, smooth on top, soft inside. This smell, this color, this softness. Homemade bread is always the best. Yeah. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Can we find a friend so faithful, who will all our sorrows share? Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Homemade bread always tastes better. Soft, fresh, warm, and full of love. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next